Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download WinZip on your computer. So for downloading it, you have to open any web browser. So now here inside the web browser, search here for the WinZip download. So here you can see WinZip download, compress and share files fast. The official website of WinZip is showing. Now click on it. So here we are on the official page of WinZip. Now click on free download. So you can see here the installer has been launched. Now double click it to launch the installer on your computer. So if any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. Now let's wait till the installer is launching. So here you can see the installer has been launched. Now click on next. Again click on agree. Again click on agree. So it is now installing the WinZip on my computer. So it is of 78 MBs. This can take few seconds according to your internet speed. So let's wait till the downloading completed. So now, as you can see here, downloading has been completed. It is now preparing to install. So let's wait. So now, as you can see here, the WinZip has been installed on my computer. So now click on finish. So here you can see the WinZip is showing. Here is the WinZip duplicate finder. Here is the WinZip safe share. And here it is WinZip secure backup. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.